Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and today I would like to make a small announcement. I had an invitation from Nitiwit Collections to be a design team member, which I accepted and I am so grateful for that. Actually, it's a digital scrapbooking company, which means that they sell digital scrapbook supplies for card making, layouts, paper crafts. The great thing about that is that we pay once, we download the files immediately upon completing the order, and we print them on a classic inkjet printer. Of course, in this way we can use them in any project we want. It's so simple. For this project I used the Porch Swing kit and I used the complete collection, which includes all the individual packs. You can save 20% when you buy the bundle. Down below you will find the link to the bundle as well as each individual pack. So let's see what we are going to make today. We are gonna be making a mini album 13 by 21 centimeters or 5 by 8 and 1/4 of an inch with an easy and simple binding, perfect for beginners. The Porch Swing collection is full of flowers, butterflies, labels and a lot of elements to decorate in a unique way our creations. For the base and the pages, I'm using a thick white cardstock 300 GSM. I am scoring again on the other side just to make sure that the scoring is okay, because I am working on thick cardstock. Then I burnish well and carefully all these scored lines. And I am sticking down every page as straight as I can. Now I would like to show you the amazing details and the high quality of the digital papers, and I am choosing this one with the beautiful roses and butterflies. See? It's like a fabric texture. These are some of the dozens of elements they have in the kit, and I simply print them and fuzzy cut them with my scissors. Quotes, roses, butterflies, tags, journaling cards in a beautiful color combination give us the sense that we are swinging on the porch on a beautiful sunny day. I print all my papers and elements on a 200 GSM weight paper and I used my liquid glue to stick them on my album. I print this pattern on a piece of vellum, and you can see that the quality is very high and in a vellum paper as well as on the classic paper. I am sticking down the vellum with a piece of double-sided tape on the edge. I do cut 3 flaps to stick on the album. For the decoration of the cover, I used this beautiful label cluster that says Happy Thoughts, because in the album I want to include happy thoughts and happy moments as well, and I fuzzy cut these two floral elements for extra interest.